Good morning children. I hope class 6th children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have been doing simplification, already we have solved few questions from exercise 6 and it was told to solve questions by yourself. I hope rest of the questions you might have started and few of you must have completed also. Today we will see question number 6 and onwards. So children, those who have not completed, just you be with your book and copy and try to learn together. And before starting, one very important notice for you. Those who are not doing together, first of all, they will be having problem to complete all the things in one day. Second thing, just after few days, you will be having PA2 and in that copies and books will be checked. So it is better now itself you try to complete your all the exercise, be up to date in your copy so that in exam you may score good marks. So today we will start question number 6. So let's see how it will be done and rest of the question you should be able to do. So try to understand and rest of the question you do. So let's start question number 6. So we have question number 6 here. You see what we have. We have 27 minus open bracket 18 minus again middle bracket 16 minus small bracket open 5 minus 4 minus 1 and over bar small bracket closed, curly bracket closed and large bracket closed. Now we need to solve this question. So as if you remember, it was told that when this type of question is there, if simplification is there, first of all bar is required to be solved. So this portion is required to be solved first. So we will solve this question first. Just you see how we will solve. Here we have a solution. So we will write solution over here and then we will start solving. Here you see rest of the things we just you need to take down. 27 minus rest all the things just you write down. 18 minus curly bracket you have 16 minus and then 5. Here you have 4 minus 1. So what we need to do, just 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So we will write minus 3. That's it. Then rest of the thing just you need to note down. Then we have again 27 minus 18 minus 16 minus 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. And then we will be having 27 minus 18 minus 16 minus 2 is equal to 14. So we will write 14 over here. Then we will be having 27 minus 18 minus 14 is equal to 4. So finally we have got 27 minus 4 is equal to 23 and this will be your answer. So easy question it was, but you need to follow again V Bodmas rule that you need to remember. So I hope you understood. Next question we have. Next question we have question number 7. So just we will take question number 7. Here you see how we will solve. So first we will write question number 7. So our question number 7 is 4 whole 4 by 5. Then we have divided by 3 by 5 of 5 plus 4 by 5 into 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5. So here you see we have numbers have been given in fraction, and what operations we have? We have off, division, addition, multiplication and subtraction. So we need to start with off. So here you see how we will solve. Here we will write solution, then we need to start solving question. So here we have been given mixed fraction, so this is required to be written in improper fraction. So 5 4 is 20 and 20 plus 4 will be 24 divided by 5 divided by 3 by 5. Off means into, so simply you can write into 5 plus 4 by 5 into 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5. Now here we will write 24 by 5 divided by, here you see 5 1 is 5 and 5 1 is 5 has been cancelled. What we have got? 3 by 1. So simply you write 3 by 1 and plus 4 by 5 into 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5, and then we will be having 24 by 5. Here you see now we need to solve division. So this division is required to be changed into multiplication, and reciprocal of 3 by 1 we need to write down. We need to write down reciprocal, or we say multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal of 3 by 1 will be what? Will be 1 by 3. So this thing we need to know. This is required to be written over here. So 1 by 3 we will write plus 4 by 5 into 3 by 10 and minus 1 by 5. Now in next step we have multiplication. So just we need to simplify that. So here you see, here we can do, here you see, so that you can understand properly. This 3 1 is 3 and 3 8 is 24. We have cancelled this. Here in this place also you can see 2 2 is 4 and 2 5 is 10. Like this we can write. Now in next step, in simple way, just we need to simplify and we can write. So here we have 8 1 is 8, 8 by 5 1 is 5. This portion we have written. Then we will write 2 3 is 6 divided by 5 5 is 25. And then we have minus 1 by 5. So simple simplification is left. In denominator we have 5, 25 and 5. So we need to find out LCM out of this. So we have 5, 25 and 5. One thing you need to remember, if numbers have been given and those bigger numbers what has been given, those are multiples, then the biggest number will be your LCM. Just you see 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25 and 5 1 is 5. Just you see what it will be your LCM. Your LCM will be 25. 5 1 is 5 and 5 5 is 25. So here we will simplify. Just you try to understand. Already you have done this, but just you see how it will be simplified. This LCM is required to be written in denominator. Now with this denominator, this LCM is required to be divided. So 25 divided by 5, what we will get? 5. 5 5 is 25. Now this 5 what we have got, this 5 is required to be multiplied with numerator. So we will get 5 8 is 40. The same thing is required to be done with 6 by 25. What we did with 8 by 5, the same thing is required to be done with 6 by 25. So if you are dividing this 25 with this 25, we will get 1. 1 into 6 will be 6. Again the same repetition will be there. This 25 is required to be divided by 5. So we will get 5 5 is 25, 5. And this numerator 1 we have, 1 into 5 will be 5. So finally we have got 46 minus 5 by 25, and that means we will get 41 by 25. So it means it will be 1 whole 16 by 25, and this is your answer. So easy it was. So you need to see properly first of all. If you have not understood, again you watch and try to solve by yourself, so that easily you will be able to solve. Next question we have question number 8. So just you see how it will be solved. Question number 8 we will write first. We have in small bracket it has been given 2 by 3, and then we have plus 4 by 9 of we have 3 by 5 divided by 1 whole 2 by 3 into 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. This is required to be solved. So again, as question number 7 was solved, in the same way this will be required to be solved. Just you watch properly and try to understand. So first you see in Bodmer's rule what we had. First we need to solve bracket. So we need to solve bracket first. So you see how we will solve this. In bracket you have 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9. So we need to find out LCM of 3 and 9. So if you are finding out LCM of 3 and 9, you will get 9. Just now I had explained 3 1 ja 3 and 3 3 ja 9. If multiples are there, then greatest multiple will be the LCM. So 3 3 ja 9 you have got. So your LCM is required to be written in this way, will be written in this way. Now this 9 is required to be divided by 3. So what you will get? 3 3 ja 9. 3 you will get. Just you this 9 is required to be divided by 3. So 3 3 ja 9. What you have got? You have got 3. This 3 is required to be multiplied with numerator. In numerator you have 2. So 3 2 ja 6 you have got. The same thing is required to be done with 4 by 9. So with this 9 is required to be divided. You will get 1, and 1 into 4 you will get 4. Then you have off means into, as I told you. So this will be 3 by 5 divided by this you write in improper fraction. 3 1 ja 3 and 2, 5 by 3 into 4 1 ja 4 and 1, 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Then you see in next step what we will write. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 10 by 9 into 3 by 5. Here in this case you can write multiplication, and 5 by 3 what you have can be written as 3 by 5 into 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. These all 4 terms you have in multiplication. Just you simplify this. So what things are being cancelled or which will be cancelled, just you try to cancel. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 1 ja 5 has been cancelled. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja 10. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, and again this 3 1 ja 3 and 3 1 ja 3. So finally what you have got in this portion, you see. In this portion you have got 2 1 1 1 in numerator. So we will write 2. In denominator you see 1 1 1. So only this 1 1 1 you have, and again this 4 is also you have. So this also can be cancelled. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. So finally you have got not 2, you have got 1. So we will write 1 over here, 1, and here in denominator only 2 you have, minus 1 by 3. So you have LCM now, 2 3 just 6. So what you will get, this 6 will be divided by 2. So you will get 2 3 just 6, 3 1 just 3, minus 3 2 just 6, and 2 1 just 2. So what you got, 1 by 6. So your final answer is 1 by 6. So question is very easy, just you need to understand, you need to follow the rule. If you are following your rule properly, I don't think any problem you will be having. So I hope you understood, and in this way you will be able to solve all the rest of the question. So next day we will see rest of the question if you will not be able to complete. Otherwise you try by yourself. I hope you will be able to do, and we have very short time and very soon we will be having final exams. So just you try to solve maximum question by yourself, and so that we will be able to complete our syllabus. So next day we will see next question. Until then, thank you.